Hi friend, in this video we are going to learn about the design of Turing machine for equal number of 0, equal number of 1, where string started from the 0 for the value n greater than and equal to 1. So in this video we have to follow the logic. Here logic is saying that so whatever the zeros are there, corresponding 1 we have to cross. Then how I can recognize that I have crossed this 0, I have crossed this 1, because here we have to make the machine understand. So what I can do that, if I cross this 0, means encounter this 0, make as x, when I encounter y, make as the y there. Sorry, 1 make as the y. Okay. Now suppose q0, crossing this one, making x. If I get second 0, no problem, because corresponding 0, corresponding 1 we have to cross. I have to go to the right. Again second 0, no problem, I have to go to the right. Whenever I get the value of 1, cross this one, and we have to come back to the left. 0, no problem, left. 0, no problem, left. When I come here, so I can understand that for x means I can, what is the y I have written? X means whatever the value behind this corresponding 1, I have crossed it. Okay. So I have to go ahead, not to the back side. So for the second value, if I get 0, again I can make this is the x, go to the right. If I get the value of y, no problem, I have to go ahead. If I get this one, make this one is the y, just come back. Here, come back. Here means again I will get the value of x, because I have crossed this one, make as the x there now. So I can cross this x is also, sorry, cross this 0 is also, make as x. Okay, cross this x 0 as x. If I get y, no problem, ahead. Again y, no problem, ahead. If I get the 1 there, this is make as the y. Again come left, come left. If I reach here, so I understand for this 0, this 1 I have encountered. Whenever I get the y, I understand that oh, means whatever the 0 corresponding 1 I have encountered there. Okay. So if I get the y, again I have to check whether there is one is left or not. So I have to go here, I have to go here, I have to go. If I get the blank, what I can understand, for this 0, 1 I have already encountered, so I can stop here. Now how we can represent this one in form of the figure, you can see. We can also go for the transition diagram, we can also go for the your figure that. Now just go for the figure, because it will be also easy to understand. This is also easy to understand. Okay. Q0, what is target? Whatever the zeros are there, I have to make as the x. So here, what is representation of this one? It is saying that this is the input, what we are writing and what movement we are doing. This is the simple means from this state to I am going to this. Same figure you can see this. See there. Q0 taking 0. What is target? Make this 0 as the x. Done. I have to go to the right, change the state, because here we have making the changes in the input tab. So we have done the changes. So it is not necessary, but for the simplicity we can do it. Okay. So it is saying that Q0, 0, we have to make this 0x, right, we can just do the Q1. If I go for the Q1 target, whenever the 0 will be there, we have to go right. Q1, whenever the 0 will be there, I have to write 0 as it is, and right, same state will be there. Okay. For this one, same thing I have to follow, I will be in the same state. Okay. Now, if I get the first one, my target is that if I x, I have to make this is a y. If I get the first one, make this is the y, and you have to go for the left there, or you have to change the state as the Q2 there. So left means if I reach here, so what the value of Q2 will receive? Q2 will receive the 0. 0 means you have to go left. You can see 0, 0, we have to go to the left, same state I can keep. If I reach here, again I will get the 0. Again same thing, same state will be there. If I reach here, Q0, I can get the x. What is target? Q0 x is that I have to make this is the 0, as this 0 as the x. Same process I have to follow. That region we have to back to the initial state. See here, x, same x, I am not changing anything, because if I change this x by anything, then we are not able to track that. What is the meaning of the value of this x? This x is saying that behind this nothing is there. For this one corresponding one I have encountered, for this 0 corresponding one I have encountered, so I have to stop here, not go to the further left. So that is in Q2, we need to get the x, same state will be there, not the same state, it will be changed to the Q0, same input tap will be there, and movement is the right. Okay, now this x and this y is the over. Now again same, if I get the 0, what the make this 0 as the x, go to the state Q1. Q1 again it will be get this 0, same state will be there by using this right movement. If it will be get here, you can see there, here it will be not get 1, it will get the y, whatever the y. My target is, if you see the earlier part what I said, that I have to go ahead until unless I can get the 1. So same y will be there, same state, there is no problem. Now you can go for the 1. If I get this one, same thing I have to do, make this is the y, change the state, make this is the y, change the state, and go to the left. So I can go to the left. So here you can see that Q2 will get the y here, Q2 will get the y, not the x this time, or not the 0, because this y it will be get. Later on it will be get 0 and x, but for this simplicity it will get the y. For y there is no moment I have written, so I have to write it. Now you can see there, for the y same thing I have to do, we have to go to the left, same state. So I can get the 0, same state, I have to in the same state by taking the 0, 0, left is there, same. Again if I reach x, same output I can write for this and go to the initial state. Now for the third one, same process, makes this 0 as the x. Now here you can see Q1 get the y, again same state will be there for this y, for this y same state. Now it is the 1, same thing, make this one as the y, go to the Q2, Q2, and the movement is the left. So it will be again, when Q2 get the y, same thing, I have to come here, again y come to here, again Q2 the x, I have to go to the beginning. Now here if I say that the Q0 here not get any 0 there, it will get the y. If it will get the y, you have to check that either whether there is any input is one is left, so you have to check this one. Now from the Q0 you can see that there is movement. We are going to the same y written as the y, we are going to the right. Now the state has changed as a Q3 there. So here it will be Q3. Again Q3 will get the y, it will be the going to the right, same state will be there, same state will be there. Okay, when it will be the blank will be there, so it will be accept the string. So this is the whole design, it is given same as the figure. You can say that whatever things given here we have written in form of the diagram for the simplicity. Okay.